you guys, this is Chanell and I'm back with another video. And if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe, sis. And if you're old here, what's up, sis? What's poppin', sis? How you been, sis? I've been making it. But today is a 2-in-1 video. Today I'm gonna talk to y'all about the struggles of a small business. So let me get a thumbnail. Let me get a product. What product? Okay. So the struggles of going through a small business is the fact of getting sales, getting target audience, getting followers too. So talk about all that. Okay, so here I go. So here we gotta stay away from where it shows the ring light. Okay, so here, can't see that. Can't see from all that. Okay, so it says 48 followers and 100 following. I had ran an ad, and the ad I ran was for yeah, I said an ad, y'all. I had ran that ad. Oh, this is me. Okay, I ran an ad for this. No, not this. This. I ran an ad for that picture, and you see it reached 6 hearts, 3 saves, 861 people reach. Content interaction 9, post activity 8, app tap 5, profile visit 8, impression 1,024. Five ad types, like we said. 84.2% of women and 15.0% of men. 8 through 24 age range was 54.4. 25 through 35 age range 32.6. 35 through 45, 9.1%. 45 to 54, 1.4 cents. 55 to 65, 0.8. 65 plus, 1.4%. South Carolina, 56.4. My state came through, period. Washington, D.C. District of Columbia, 24.6%. North Carolina, 18.9%, which is I'm currently living in. See how South Carolina came through and North Carolina didn't? Like, sick of Durham. Like, Durham don't support. And out of all that, I do highly appreciate the people visiting my website. But I need to push myself to the point where I can get people to order. So I just came into my shop, and y'all see the red thing? That's because it went down. Hold on, y'all.
Okay, that came from less people looking now. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I just don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Am I just supposed to sit here and keep promoting, keep doing the same thing over and over. What captions can I make? What? And I'm going ahead and tell everybody this. Hashtags do not freaking work for Instagram. Everybody keeps saying, use hashtags, use hashtags. Stop with the hashtags. I see day and day people use less hashtags. I see day and day people don't use hashtag at all and they still get likes. The hashtags do not work. Hashtags is what brings in ghost followers. Now, yes, I may use hashtags to relate to what I'm posting. Cool beans. But do it bring in sales? Do it bring in customers? Do it bring in followers? No. It just gives for people to click on a clickbait. Basically, hashtag is your clickbait. Stay away from clickbait. Stay away from hashtags, period. If you want to post what you want to post on your page and you got the amount of followers that you got and you did that organically before you open up your business, do so. Hashtags do not work. It's just a clickbait for other people to come on your website and on your Instagram page and just sit there and like and not comment, but also just watch your stuff. It doesn't bring you nothing. Y'all gotta understand. This is what I need to understand. Your power of mind is what's gonna get you where you wanna get. And I did not understand that until I sit here in my room and I'm sitting here after work hours. I'm like, was today a successful day of work that I did? Did I do what I had to do and then see the same results? Or what am I doing wrong? What can I test drive on Instagram? I done deleted so much pictures. I done redid a whole photo shoot. I done sit here and rechanged everything. So when y'all are buying my lip gloss now, it's now to the point where y'all can buy a white squeeze tube and a black squeeze tube from different colors. Or y'all can buy from the same color and y'all can get two and a two, or y'all can get the whole pack. I'll show y'all an example. Okay, say you want, this is sweet chocolate. Nope, this is heat. Say you want heat, but you want heat in a silver squeeze tube, but then you recently saw baby blue, and baby blue has a silver squeeze tube too. I mean silver wine tube. Heat and baby blue is in a silver wine tube, and you want that. You can get these two for $3.99. You can get these two for $3.99. Here go another example. But then again, say, oh, you saw the wine tube of baby blue and the white top, and you want heat in the black top of the wine tube. Okay. And say you want heat in a black wine tube, and you want them together also for $3.99. You can get that. You can get that, and no doubt mind, you can get that. I would not mind doing that order like that. Say you want heat in the squeeze tube, but the white top, but you also saw baby blue in the black top of the squeeze tube, and you want that. Say you want to do it like that. I didn't mean to do it all like that, but you could do that. By all means, all necessary. Y'all could do that. Okay? Y'all could really do that. By all means necessary, y'all could really do that. I would sit there, package your order, give you your candy. And like, y'all could really do that. But when I do videos like this, and I do it on TikTok, I do it on Instagram, and I explain to everybody, like, I'm different from everybody. Everybody wants y'all to buy. On TikTok, that's all I hear. I need such and such to buy. Oh, if y'all in here, y'all need to say something. This, that. That's not how you talk to people who want to potentially buy from you. And that's what makes me stand out from anybody. If y'all on my live, on TikTok live, or y'all on my Instagram live, and y'all ask me so much questions, or even a question that is not on the website, and you saw the website and you went to the for Ask Me website, man, my head's soft right there. I will answer what's not on there, and I will help you. But yeah, y'all, I have to sit here and talk about this because this is ridiculous to me. People will sit here and buy from rude people of a small business, but the ones who passionately love what they're doing and passionately care for what they do, but y'all sit here and buy from others that are being rude to y'all versus buying from the ones who care about their goals and dreams and their career. This is their career. This is their life career. Y'all sit there and just disrespect them people. And then y'all rather sit here and tell small business what they should do, but y'all don't go tell Fashion Nova, Forever 21, or Fenty Beauty, or Johora, or Ultra Beauty. Y'all don't tell them what they're doing wrong, but y'all come attack us small business when us small business is trying to help y'all. We care for our customers. They don't. Fashion Nova can send you the wrong size, but tell you, oh, no refund. I mean, that's up to y'all. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I need somebody to tell me what I'm doing wrong. I'm sitting up here posting constantly, trying. I'm not going to even sit here and lie. Trying to post constantly. I think I'm going to do today. I'm going to post constantly today. What time is it? 4. I need to post. Okay, we're going to sit here and we're going to post this TikTok video right here that I did. I'm going to say, beautiful glosses. Alright, now, what can I say? Beautiful glosses in their in their shape of form, and now for purchase. Link in the bio. They can't see that color, so let's do a purple. They can't see that color. Why don't I make this stuff? There we go. Alright, I post that one video. Let me post another video. We're gonna post this video of the glosses. I'ma say it's now in their dual form. You can mix and match when purchased. Y'all have the opportunity to mix and match at purchase. And I don't want to make this video no more longer. I thank y'all for hearing me rant multiple times about my business. I thank y'all. And like I said, if you're new here, please like, subscribe to your girl for more rants or for more business tips or for anything y'all want to hear from me. Please say it in the comment below. And if you're out here, sis, what's going on, sis? You're supposed to be here complimenting me, sis. Like, I feel like none of my sisters or bros are here to compliment me. I feel like I'm by myself. So where are my sisters and my bros at? But I love y'all. Bye.